Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, breakfast for dinner, French toast. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the potatoes O'Brien. All the goodies for the custard. All the goodies for the custard kind of together. The custard all mixed up. All the goodies for the scrambled eggs. Everything in the bowl. And all whisked together. Heating up some oil in a fry pan. I add the onion and saute for a few minutes. I add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. I add the bell pepper and the herbs and saute. I add the potatoes and start to cook. Here's what that all looks like together. In another fry pan, I melt some butter and heat it up. I add the scrambled eggs. Here's the finished scrambled eggs. Here's the finished potatoes. Here's the first slice of French toast down on the flat top. Here's all 4 slices. Here's the buffet. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.